Hey guys, it's Emilio here with WDYC, Who Does Your Concrete. Today we're actually headed to another brand new job. This job consists of taking out some old termite damaged timbers and replacing them with some nice treated steps. It's about 40 feet in length, and we're also going to add a landing in the middle there. So stay tuned, watch the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hit the like and let me know if you need anything. Take care.